Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to permanently fix the Imei 0 issue on your Google Pixel 6, 6a, or 6 Pro. This is not a temporary patch. Even after OTA updates, even after full firmware flashes, your Imei will stay intact forever. No more losing signal. No more doing the same repair over and over and over again. This method works on Android 16, Android 17 and all security patch levels. Do it once, and you are done. Let me walk you through all 9 steps carefully. Make sure you follow everything exactly as shown. Ready? Let's go. Step 0. Overview. Here's what we are doing today. We're going to download the required tools. Create a root file, flash stock firmware. Apply the permanent fix using special software, then relock everything for daily use. Your device will be fully functional and fully secure when we finish. Simple. Step 1. Download prerequisites. Before we start, you need 4 things. All download links are in the description below. Get them now. Number 1. Your Pixel stock firmware from the official factory images page. Get the exact model and the latest stable version. No beta builds. Number 2. Magisk APK from the official GitHub. This patches our boot image for temporary root access. Number 3. Google Pixel Technicians Toolkit, version 3. This is the essential tool, the one that makes the fix permanent. Description has the official link. Number 4. Android USB drivers. Your computer must communicate with the phone properly. Install these first, before connecting anything. Pause the video now. Download everything.
Of being incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I'll wait. Done. Good. Moving on. Step 2. Make a root file. Extract your downloaded firmware zip. Inside you will find another zip. Extract that one too. Now look for the file called boot.img. Copy it to your phone's internal storage. On your phone, install and open Magisk. Tap Install at the top. Choose, select and patch a file. Pick the boot.img from your storage. Magisk will patch it and save the output to your downloads folder. Transfer that patched file back to your computer desktop. We need it for step 5. Easy, right? Step 3. Set up Google Pixel Technician's Toolkit, version 3. Install the toolkit on your computer. Launch it. Now, you will need a token to activate. The tool has a Get Free Token option inside. Click it. Follow the instructions. Generate your hardware and receive your token. Paste it in. The tool is now ready. Step 4. Flash stable firmware. Power off your phone completely. Hold volume down and power to enter bootloader mode. Connect your USB cable to the computer. Inside the toolkit, go to the Flash tab. Load your stock firmware folder. Important note: my bootloader is already unlocked, so I am skipping the unlock step. If your bootloader is locked, use the unlock button first, but be aware this will wipe all data. You have been warned. Click Flash. Let the tool restore your phone to clean stock firmware. The phone will reboot when finished. Let it reach the welcome screen. Don't set it up yet? Step 5. Root with Magisk. Power off again. Go back to bootloader mode. In the toolkit, find the option to flash a boot image. Select the Magisk patched file from your desktop. Flash it. Phone will reboot. Magisk root is now active. Open Magisk on the phone to confirm it should show installed. Perfect. Step 6. Fix PID permanently. This is the critical part. Watch closely. Open the Pixel PID tab in the Toolkit. Click Fix PID. The tool begins preparation procedures automatically. Then a dialog box appears asking for IMEI input. But before touching anything, check your phone first. Dial *#06#. Question: is your original IMEI already showing again? If yes, click Skip on the dialog box. The tool will lock that IMEI permanently by fixing the NV data partition. If no, manually type your original IMEI into the box and click Apply. The tool will write it, then make it permanent. Either way, wait for the success confirmation message. This fix now survives everything. Updates, yes. Flashes, yes. Wipes, yes. The IMEI will not become 0 again. Ever. Breathe. The hard part is over. Step 8. Lock the bootloader. For full security banking apps, WhatsApp to work without issues, the bootloader must be relocked. Stay in bootloader mode. Click Lock Bootloader in the Toolkit. Confirm the warning. The phone will lock itself and perform a factory reset. This is normal and required. Don't panic. Your device is now fully secured. Step 9. Verify everything. Set up your phone. Go to Settings. About phone. Imei is there. Correct. Dial *#06#. Imei shows up. Correct. Signal bars. Full, but the real test. The ultimate test. Go to Settings. System. System update. Download and install the latest OTA update available. Phone reboots. Optimizes. Finishes. Check Imei again. After the update. Still there. Not zero. Permanent. The fix survived an OTA update. Exactly as promised. And that's it. That is the complete method. 9 steps. Permanent results. No more Imei 0 problems ever again on your Pixel device. If this video saved you, leave a like and subscribe for more Pixel repair content. Links to everything are in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.